let's talk about the kind of people that you need to stay away from. The first kind of people which you should be aware of are the people who are always complaining. You must have seen people who are always complaining about life, be it at their work, be it at their home. They're complaining if they're married about their husband, or they're complaining about their children, or at work they are always complaining about their bosses, on how they were ill-treated by them. They have nothing good or positive to say about their own lives or about others' life also. Secondly, they're always complaining about how good your life is and how bad their own lives are. So these are the kind of people who are miserable themselves and also make you miserable. They make the environment negative and you do not want to hang around with them, right? So I think you must have seen such kind of people in your life too. So comment in the comment section below to tell me if you have encountered such people. I'm sure there are many out there, but the good news is that you can avoid them as much as possible. Right. The second kind of people that I would want to talk about is the people who lack empathy. Now, what do you understand by empathy? Empathy is basically understanding the feelings of others and looking at them from the angle where you understand where they are coming from, and not blaming them or being judgmental about their sufferings or what they are telling you about, right? So if you have such friends in your life who lack empathy, you need to be beware of them. So let's understand what is the difference between empathy and sympathy. Sympathy is someone showing you their sympathy or showing you their love and gestures, right? Pitying you for the miseries that you have in your life. While an empathetic person will not pity you, they will try to understand your situation and provide solutions to you while understanding what you are going through. You need people or empathetic people in your life who support you in your journey rather than just dismiss your feelings as non-existent. I'm sure you also have encountered such people in your lives, and you need to stay away from such people so that they don't turn your life sour. As it is, we have a lot to deal with in life these days with the challenges and the negativities that are there and that we encounter in our lives almost every day. Am I right? The next one is the manipulators. Now, what do you understand by manipulators? Manipulators are those who try to manipulate your emotions in the wrong direction or in the negative direction. Manipulators are basically who try to be negative towards you, who try to blame you for the things that you did not do. You must have seen some such people who victim shame you or blame you for things which you did not do. Maybe at work, they try to blame you for all the negatives that are there at work, or at home. It could be in the form of friends, it could be in the form of your loved ones also. Sometimes even our family members like our parents or husband or siblings, they also try to manipulate us into doing things their way. So try to understand such people who are trying to manipulate you or trying to gaslight you, right? The next kind of people are the people who lack authenticity. Now, there are a lot of people who lack authenticity. They don't express themselves, their real emotions. They hide their motive from themselves, and you will find them as people who are very mysterious in nature. Mysterious in nature in the sense that they are very sensitive to the environment around them. They're always thinking about something, and you will see that they're scheming about something maybe. So they are very mysterious kind of people. So we need to be avoidant, or we need to avoid such people from our lives, right? So these are the kind of people which we need to avoid, and if you have any more, to share, then do share in the comment section below. I will come up with such videos almost every day. I will try to. And also please follow me on my socials, that is Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn as Shyamulima Datta. You can also book a session with me where I will help you personally to navigate all the issues that you're dealing with. Thank you and have a great day ahead.